Today on the Roadhouse, I'm going to give you a little bit of an update on the JKU. Let's get this video started. The Roadhouse is sponsored by Finley River Towing in Ozark and Branson, Missouri. They'll tow anything from Springfield all the way down to Harrison, Arkansas. Speedy's Industrial Coatings. They do media blasting, powder coating, all sorts of stuff. Big or small, they do it all at Speedy's in Ozark, Missouri. Forbes Tire in Paragould, Arkansas. They'll take care of big tires, small tires, any tires you need. Tractor tires, anything you need, call Forbes Tire. And JS Off-Road Addict. They do passenger cars, trucks, Jeeps, buggies, UTVs, ATVs, small engines. They'll do anything you got. They're doing my LS swap, doing all sorts of custom stuff to my Jeep. Upgrades, recoveries. If you're at S'more and you're breakdown out there, give them a call, JS Off-Road Addict. And one more thing, if you're heading out to S'more next year from March all the way out to Thanksgiving of 2024, give JS Off-Road a call if you need to rent anything to drive out there on the park. They've got Jeeps and side-by-sides to rent for S'more. So we've got the Jeep outside so it's you can actually see everything on it. It's a lot better off out here in the natural light. It is looking really good. The 512 gears are in the front and rear, ARB lockers front and rear. Fenders are all on, steps on. The adapter came in for the transfer case so we can use the stock transfer case and use an adapter to the 4L80 transmission. So that's in, so that's going to be being worked on really quick. I still have the hood at the house. I need to bring that over here so we can go ahead and put it on. But I don't have the... Actually, I need to do this next time we get it inside. So I need to go ahead and finish putting in the inner fenders. This is looking really good. Then JS Off-Road is going to go ahead and wire the LS in and the gauges and everything, so the factory gauges work and all that type of stuff. Run and drive and work out the kinks. And that should be it for this phase. So basically, we're going to get the adapter on the transfer case, measure out, go ahead and get the transfer case put up back up in it, measure out for the drive shafts get made, all that type of stuff. I think RMP out of St. Louis is making the drive shafts for us. I'll correct this if it's wrong. The Novak adapter arrived, like I said before, and that's going to be nice. Got to finish a few of those left, and the reason why I probably haven't done them all is because I want to get them done powder coated in black. Don't like those being chrome or silver or whatever it is. Let's see what else. A lot of the stuff, got to touch up a few areas on it, but other than that, it's looking really good. Changing some of the fluids today. Going ahead with Mobile 1 5W30. I always use Mobile 1 on anything I have, so this is not going to be any different. Thank y'all for liking, subscribing, and commenting down below. Let me know what you think of the Jeep. I'm going to be working a lot more on it. It's getting ready to come along really fast. Most of the parts have already arrived. Thank y'all for watching, liking, subscribing. And as always, if you ride her hard, don't put her away wet. This is all being done at JS Off-Road in Seymour, Missouri, next to S'more, Southwest Missouri Off-Road Ranch.